Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the AREBI A10 Plus Mini Wi-Fi camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $55. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with two USB cables, a magnetic mount, an iron sticker and a user manual. Inserting the Microsd card is a little bit complicated. The camera has a built-in battery, which only works for about 60 minutes. For continuous working, you have to attach the camera to a charger or a power bank. Connecting the camera with your phone and your Wi-Fi network is pretty easy. You just have to download the P2P LiveCam app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the instructions. The built-in magnet is very convenient when you're looking for the right place to install the camera. I use the camera to watch my front door and it works pretty good during the day. But during the night, when there's no light in the room, the camera only shows a black picture. If you want the night vision to work, you have to manually turn it on in your app. After turning on the night vision, it works pretty good even without any light in the room. I also tested the camera outside during the day. It works pretty good, but the colors are a little bit strange. I tested the mini camera for about a week and I think it's an interesting product. It's small, lightweight and the built-in magnet is very convenient if you want to mount the camera. Unfortunately, the built-in battery only works for about 60 minutes. The picture quality is okay for such a small camera, but I was hoping for a better quality. I wouldn't use this camera as a replacement for my surveillance camera, but if you're looking for a mini Wi-Fi spy camera with motion detection, loop recording and a built-in battery, I would recommend the AREBI A10 Plus Mini Wi-Fi camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.